Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I just saw this little clip it on Facebook of somebody showing how to do this. So for years, and I don't know that this would work um, for a printer. I'd really like somebody that print would tell me that this is going to work. But what I used to have to do is if I was going to do this, I would have to draw lines between these parts, from the sharp angles to the inner not so sharp angles. And then I would have to take my Smart Fill tool and fill in well, I didn't do one. Fill in every other one. I don't know how I didn't get that line there. And then take the Smart Fill tool and do every other one. And then change your color and fill in the other ones. So there's no colors behind there. This is exactly the same thing, but created a kind of a comical way. Take a polygon on 5 sides. And I'm going to bring in the shape tool and I'm going to bring this to kind of make it to be a star. Now I'm going to fill that star in with blue and I'm going to make a duplicate and make that one red. And then I'm going to nudge it right back. That one's on top. I'm going to take the shape tool and I'm going to double click a node, put it in the middle and then join them right here in the middle. And I didn't quite get there. And of course, this maybe not as precise, but that's dead on. Now, I'd like a printer to tell me, because there's actually 2 stars there, and I guess you could do both of them the same. But I'm just wondering, will that blue not print through that? If that red's on top, is it just going to print that red? But that's pretty, to me, it's comical how some people can come up with some stuff. So I thought I'd share that on my channel. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.